Wasining on ni Ouch Palangi show.
Right.
And navito ko namin na ni Punjus ni cream biscuits so creamy in everybody. Nurana na turang.
Karena Mika samu.
Yang nak turang tahu atu yang nak turang tahu Mika. Ya bahkan bulan-bulan binatu kemenrau.
Keri.
Ni bulan-bulan ibu mebik. Bulan-bulan.
Rau tadi solti na bota lilia.
Ibra ka turwano chika bikimrin na sema chingona bitolung ni sala na dai bikimrin na sema chingona be sema rubura.
Right.
Bikimrin na chingora no muni datar no siata ka chingona no na video ngori.
Ngori naka.
Avira no mitoka ni na mataka. Ndai.
Namaka.
Anggona VTFM Ouch Palangi, K-Punches, new cream biscuits, so creamy with every bite.
Ibra very good morning to you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning and Ouch Palangi show.
Right.
Erbe mataka me bakani kuwa, mataka ni singalo tulevu.
Right.
Wiki to bagi.
Dono minaka.
Nakor bagiti, ada tigo pangalala, barabi, bondo ose, taumbale.
Right.
Dabatale, Dakasongo. Danda buli ngai bale, tomate, marutaka no mulivi.
Right.
Ongande tiko.
Otamayabu.
Orain balabutiko. Obagana non chimbeko, katilinga.
Dono minaka.
Ni andra ni mata binaka.
So ndabi tuno mani basi mode andra tu.
Dina sara.
Na lo mani basi ni wimba ngondo bolo minaka kenan revo solo ki kemani kasar kana pasi dia. Ana pando chuka ni machi bina bale na semutu mai na mataka ni kuwa. Sekan ngole dabi o mati bale ngono gusala.
Oi.
Rtu semutu mengo metu isel angila longa ni mode.
Iyo.
Ni nembukile mai kandamu. Mataka o mai nailo tunulo mai da konra bina susongo na dormi chuka lango mai Harvey Bay. Mai Queensland Australia. Arto solo lo mambibitu mai na lo bunol man govici.
Hey, well, good morning to you all students.
Right.
Tuning in inside the bus, inside the taxi, inside the radio, inside the a minibus and everything.
Right.
They're taking you to school this morning.
Okay. Bayan ramabol talto kan bikin ni yan mata kami nakanda. Ibu na dapat din abito kan di boleh bikin na. Kita sa bayan ratu yang bikin ni mata ka vinaka di ko. Mabol talto kan bikin ni sebetu bina koro.
Dira sara.
Do talan singin karena vitami. Soli baki. Sa bayan ratu yang bikin ni.
Ibra ka bikin kada na sema chikumayan nontanga no boro tengo.
Right.
Talo di ko sa straight to the point saranga.
Okay.
Over to you Samu.
Hey, straight to the point. You know, to the tau.
Yeah.
Back in Bonolevu, one boy in Bonolevu want to
what?
Be dangerous.
Dangerous.
Right.
Yeah. When he was young, he was he was thinking one day all the people will scare me.
Yeah.
Oh, no, not scare me. Like all the people will.
I will scare them.
Yeah, scare them. They will fear me.
One day I will be the scarecrow.
Yeah, I'll be the scarecrow. And I'll going around, no one will talk to me.
Right.
And when he come up, he saw some of the people put a tattoo here. The tattoo on the hand. The tattoo on the leg. Keskesa. And look dangerous.
Right.
And this one.
Yeah.
He put one tattoo on the forehead.
Baka ka nang unisala?
Yeah, like the road.
Sa to bali.
No, baka bali. Just
no meaning,
yeah, because he didn't draw anything special, eh?
Right.
Just put the ink here and tongtono. And
make the mark.
Make the mark. So all the face covered by the mark.
Mark of the beast.
Mark of the beast, Mr. Demuri. All of the mark here.
Yeah.
And same time, when he saw himself in the mirror,
he was afraid.
I'm good.
He was scared too. He said, now this is me. He is truly me.
Right.
So
if I'm scared, they'll be scared.
They'll be scared. They'll run away. All the kids will look at me, will cry. And all the big people look at me, they'll bow down. Same time, one day, he came to Lambasa town. Pontoon.
Bueno, si mata da puna puna vakina no tanra.
You want to be jaja?
No, because sometimes
Kaya tanra mo menta taka binaka, menta buli binaka, menta ungito
Yeah.
Yeah,
na tanra ningo me barrer baki.
Barrabaki.
Pues.
Same time he came to a nightclub in Lambasa, Pontoon.
Wait, Pontoon nightclub?
Pontoon nightclub. And Pontoon nightclub, all the people was there.
Full pack.
First thing, he saw the people.
Right.
And all of the people, they not look away.
Yeah.
All of them was laughing
Oi.
when they look at the face.
The tattoo.
The tattoo.
Because the tattoo.
Yeah.
And he was
Sino ba yung
Angry.
and he was,
Yeah.
these people, they don't cry or they don't look away or they don't bow their head down. These people are making fun of me.
Right.
Okay, now they'll see.
They both head up.
But he was stubborn, full stubborn, don't want to smile. And climb
Sama
up to
serious.
climb up, going up and going drink inside.
Oi.
Same time he was drinking.
Yeah.
And this...
Alone.
Alone. He didn't want to
serious
call anyone.
man.
And always serious.
Yeah.
And when he was
Whatever.
drinking,
Yeah.
after 3 bottles,
Only 3.
only 3, only 3 bottle of tribe.
Small one,
And
small one.
And this thing start to happen.
Yeah.
Hyper.
What happened?
Hyper start to wipe his body and
Kung may
and
barre
same
ba
time,
Yeah.
same time he put the hand like this away.
Orang kabar bagaimana kau tulot apa sangke ya?
Iya,
Kau
terus
sama
sama
Teddy.
baka may sateng ka?
Uba ko yata may dula kaki.
Iyo, baka may sateng ka. All the hand was like this.
Right.
And he was start to shout.
Sa orman na bibeliw.
Start. Ho! Ho!
Ah.
And nobody want to
Yeah.
Reply.
want to
Or bother
him
Yeah.
or want to look at him and
Why
look away.
bother?
Ay rawele nga.
They all wele.
Yeah.
At the same time, no, this one feel bad.
Yeah.
Feel bad.
Sinto
But-
erere.
Yeah. But you know what? From 7 o'clock in the afternoon
Right.
till 12,
Yeah.
when
Midnight.
the pontoon shut down,
Yeah.
Shut down telepon.
he was there. He came out. When he came out,
Yes, adunduk eh? Yeah.
I have to go back to the village. Those people will hear the story
Yeah.
that I'm do one great job here
Yeah.
in
Great
Nampasa
job.
town.
Yeah.
All the people
May
scared.
rongrong.
Iyo, rongo. And when he came down, he started to say, "Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Who wants to fight?
Oi.
Who wants to fight?
Belum ada tahu nih gori.
Who wants to fight?"
Iya.
Yeah.
And same time, one old man was
Man tu mana market.
at the back, from drink ground. Oi,
Iya.
Ode na kitiray.
oi, odina kita rai.
Yeah.
Why? Who want to fight? Why?
In
Who's that
English,
boy?
in English.
Who's that kid?
Ini kitirai.
Who's that kiddos?
Who's the
Who's that
kid?
kiddos? And he was looking when turned back, and he saw this old man and dangerous
Yeah.
and fearless, like want to eat. Eh?
Yeah.
Hey, who's that kiddos? Who's that kiddos?
Yeah.
And sometimes you want to fight?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Not fight Fijian. I only fight Basu. Hey! Huwag tamat tangan din ha? Tamat tangan
Ode
din
na kitiray.
Ada kita rai?
Yeah.
Ada kita rai? Tamat din ha?
Apakah?
Hama tangan eh.
Iya.
Kayu bu, okay bu.
Yeah.
Bibi pala.
Iya.
Bibi pala.
Yeah.
Hai maka. Hai mukan bibi pala tina ibit. Bibi pala tina basu.
तेरी मेरी गल्लाए होगी मशहूर कर
Makan dua. Mana oleh mga sarot? Asa mo ya o saranga?
Eh matanga sambon ru katakan ano natatanro kan may nangon eh.
Iya.
Kaya tanratu kaya ko sa kausa tukunoch. Mengas ni buli me buni wae me pailate.
Kaya nangonen ko ngekelasin dua mai taruh yang kas ni bule.
Iya.
Obeda tata bani tumbuh tak mai. Seorang kas ni bule, seorang nasi.
Kung ngori?
Nangonen ko ngekelasin tumbuh tak mai masta.
Iya.
Ya ubi parema kita tumbuh tak.
Ayaw saranga. Dolo tatu le uyan rena.
Iya.
Tatu kita na yangon na sange gaituin.
Tatu kita. Bukan ko nangonen ka ba? Ko nangonen ka ba ni Nigeria?
Iya.
Ko sa tarong yung ni bule. Ngai biya tukuno ko me biya kani touriste. Beta ko na kani tourist.
Iya.
Ngai imbita ko na tourist ngai ka ko berangoni. When I grow up I want to become a terrorist.
Hey, waar het dan weer mee naar Malem? Maar lekker weer John Naidori, tamay perangyo, bina Malem sa resebo tumay mavasu, waro ni bina katian ni na buku ni we tokani. And mataka bina kaniko. Nita kana ni maro takani kani. Tanga baka
Roma,
bani
tau mika.
Yeah.
Tona ba ambul tu ni bita mai perangyo.
Ode.
Oi.
Ngo no na fada leila yo mosrangyo.
Iya.
Ngo nrebo ni taxi tingo kay suba.
Saja na.
Dau siamo tu mena usori.
Ano nak?
Tuk selebula.
Iya.
On rebo ni, so tuk selebula ngo katron tau mika.
Iya.
Sa mune nga mena matana.
Iya.
Rei dir tu na nasi bunu ay besinga.
Metatu.
Metatu telah, metatu. Eh, tuk sebelum pindah ke belakang. George Miller dei.
Namale,
Serem
namale.
nga numikinor to na exam supervisor.
Ora na-
Eighty may balelawa primary school in Reketi.
Doon
Maduata. O di
Isa.
eta tokotaha.
Bulasya.
Kay siliva lo bolay layo
Bulasya.
milangan ko kay elaw toko. You know, sometimes,
Yeah.
the supervisor
Yeah.
don't smile too.
Iya,
Iya.
boleh ta?
When supervising the student,
Yeah.
because some of the students, when he saw the supervisor, because Klani Levu,
Yeah.
like lots of them, they come from the village. They educated, good educated,
Yeah.
stay in the village,
Yeah.
and they come to supervise the students.
Yeah.
But some of the students,
Yeah.
they are relatives.
Oh,
they
right,
are auntie.
Right,
you
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
Auntie, just give me that. Just give
Jangan
me that.
tamu gori.
Basta during my school days,
Yeah.
in the exam like this,
Yeah.
first thing in the morning, I give the supervisor my lunch.
Sadina.
Yeah.
And same time, all of the
Oh,
exam
ganto
is
ah.
copy.
No, copy. Binabalem sar kita sana may dama.
Naka.
Bulan rebe Tomi London.
Right.
Arkalos kau kita kau tambua.
Andra menaka.
Aging andai.
Right. Don't likes, don't share.
Dono.
Medam tali na matakan da mabuna kami punjas new cream biscuits.
Right.
So creamy in every bite. Ayaw mika